Hello students, in today's class you will learn about types of allergies and prevention of allergy. Allergies occur when the body's immune system overreacts to allergens. There are different type of allergies like food allergy, dust allergy, drugs allergy, etc. Based on the symptoms arise in a particular time, all the allergies are categorized into two categories, that is seasonal allergy and perennial allergy. Seasonal allergy, the allergy which becomes evident at certain times of the year. For an example, pollen allergy. Pollen allergy dominates during the spring season when the flower blooms and there is formation of pollen grains. Seasonal allergy, dust allergy also comes under seasonal allergy, and the pollutants like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide means the air pollutants, that also comes under the seasonal allergens because these air pollutants cause allergy in winter season. So pollen allergy and the air pollutants allergy comes under seasonal allergy. The next is perennial allergy. In this allergy, symptoms occur year round, means the allergic symptoms remain throughout the year, not in any particular season. For an example, dust allergy, which occurs throughout the year for the person who is allergic towards the dust. And food allergy. Food allergy means the allergy which occurs because of the allergic food items. So that allergy also can occur in any season whenever the person will eat that allergic food, that symptoms will arise in any season. And most of the people, they have allergy towards the pet animals or the house dust and the mold spores which occurs in our houses. So that allergies also occurs throughout the year. The cat allergy is the most common form of perennial allergy, but dog, horse and other pet allergies also occur. It is often difficult to diagnose a perennial allergy since prolonged nasal congestion may have other causes. Allergy testing is done in order to find out the cause of the symptoms. Now the next is prevention of allergy. The best prevention is to avoid the allergen. No particular medication is there for any type of allergy. The best way is to avoid that allergen. The first allergen is dust allergen. For the prevention from dust allergen, we need to use mask while going out or while moving out to a dusty place. Remove items which collect dust like rugs, carpets, magazines, books, and furnitures also should be, dusting of the furniture also should be done regularly. The bed sheets, pillow covers, that should be also changed regularly. And some of the items like blankets and other materials should be exposed to sunlight frequently. Clean the house regularly, including dusting, vacuum and wet mopping. Discourage breeding of dust mites. To reduce high indoor humidity. Use dehumidifiers, which helps in decreasing humidity. The next is food allergen. Food allergen means the allergens which cause food allergy. For prevention from food allergy, we need to avoid eating allergic foods. This you need to regularly avoid. Always read the ingredients of the packed food items before eating them, and avoid eating outside food as you cannot figure out the food items. So best way for prevention from food allergen is to avoid eating allergic foods. The next is mold spores. To prevent the growth of mold spores inside the house, we need to use air conditioners and dehumidifiers, which reduces humidity. Do not dry clothes indoor, as dry clothes can increase the humidity content of the room. Keep your house dry and fix any damp or condensation like damp walls and furniture. Remove indoor plants as they increase humidity. For more detail, just go through your textbook. Today's homework, question number 1. Explain different types of allergies. Question number 2. What are the different ways for the prevention of allergy? Write these answers in your notebook. Thank you.